Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front inside door handle in this 2006 Nissan Sentra. We show you the driver's side. Passenger side is basically the same procedure. The only tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver and a small flat blade screwdriver.
Okay, you can actually take this panel and lift up. You have to kind of get your fingers underneath and underneath back in here and lift up firmly. Comes right out, and then this lifts up firmly as well. Okay, and then right back here, there's a little tab on your harness. Push that in and disconnect the switch harness. Okay, now right in behind here, there are two either they're 10mm bolts, or you can use a Phillips screwdriver. Although usually using a socket and ratchet is a little easier. The screwdriver, you do have to press quite hard and then get them going. Okay, those come out. There's another small clip right up in here with the Phillips screw. Put your screwdriver in there and lightly turn it. You may have to just reach in behind with your fingernail or a flat blade screwdriver and try and pry that out, because it doesn't always come right out. Okay, there's also another Phillips screw right down here at the bottom of the door panel. Remove that screw. Then take your small screwdriver and carefully pry out this bezel around this door handle. On this door panel. Up and off. Okay, next you want to remove this cup. There's a couple of little tabs right up here. Use your small screwdriver again. Pry those up. Pull your handle out and off. Okay, and then in behind there is a Phillips screw. Remove that screw. Okay, now slide your handle back and it comes out. And then you can actually pull your handle out like this. Water shield some here. Okay. And these rods, just you pull your handle out like that and then you push the rods up and they come out. Your handle from 1AAuto. Goes right back in the same way. Okay, you can tell which is which. The door lock will have a detent in it. So, bring that one up. We'll put the latch one in first. Just pull it out. Okay. Look back in there. You can see where it goes into place. Put it in and then turn your handle like that. Okay, same thing for the lock. Pull it out. Okay. down into the handle. Okay. And once you get it, then just twist your handle like that. Once your handle gets the door, push it on. Oops. There's 3 tabs. Make sure all 3 go in. Make sure the handle's flush against the door. Okay. Put your Phillips screw. Okay, now put your Phillips screw back in. Put this back in place. Push it on. Okay, we install the door panel pretty easy. Just make sure that your harness comes through. Hang the door panel up. Make sure it goes down all the way. That, then your clips should line up. Then you just need to kind of in and out a couple times. Get this one down here, just kind of lift up a little bit. Put these 2 Phillips bolts back in. Okay, this little plastic one just pushes right into place. Okay, screw underneath. Right into place. Okay, this goes on. In to lock it into place. Reconnect your power window switch. Put the front down in first, then lock the back into place. And then put this right into place and press down and on.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.